Welcome to Frost and Sullivan's Growth Podcast. In each episode, we take a deeper look at transformative shifts shaping global ecosystems, from industry megatrends and technology innovation to evolving customer expectations. Today, we're exploring industrial automation software, scaling manufacturing growth, unpacking where the next wave of opportunity is unfolding, and what it means for future-ready businesses. Why automation software is becoming a growth lever. Industrial automation software is no longer only a plant-level efficiency tool. It is becoming a growth lever for manufacturers that need stronger output, higher uptime, faster response cycles, and more flexible production networks. The commercial pressure is clear. Labor scarcity, rising operating costs, and regionalized supply chains are forcing manufacturers to rethink how automation connects with workforce continuity, production resilience, and scalable execution. This is where software-led automation gains relevance. Connected worker platforms, human-machine collaboration, software-defined automation, industrial artificial intelligence, and industrial Internet of Things architectures are helping plants connect control, visibility, and decision-making without adding avoidable complexity. Spending on industrial automation and software stood at approximately $150 billion in 2025 and is projected to reach $275 billion to $325 billion by 2030. That growth signals a more competitive environment where automation maturity must translate into measurable business performance, not just technology deployment. Strategic imperatives, shaping execution readiness. Three strategic imperatives are shaping how industrial automation software priorities are being evaluated. First, internal challenges, closing the labor and skills gap. Connected worker platforms, augmented reality guidance, and AI copilots are helping manufacturers improve operator performance, reduce onboarding pressure, and address skills shortages. Second, disruptive technologies, mastering industrial data fabric and governance. Unified namespace architectures and industrial data ops are strengthening real-time data access, governance, and analytics readiness. This is critical because scalable AI depends on trusted, contextualized industrial data. Third, innovative business models, shifting business models to outcomes and robotics-as-a-service. Robotics-as-a-service, predictive maintenance subscriptions, and performance-based models are lowering adoption barriers while linking automation value to uptime and productivity. Execution readiness is becoming as important as technology maturity. Software-defined control, plug-and-play deployment models, and resilient production systems are improving adoption confidence, where manufacturers need faster updates, simpler deployment, and more responsive operations. Where growth opportunities are scaling next. The strongest growth opportunities are forming where industrial automation software improves reliability, reduces integration friction, and expands automation access across a wider manufacturing base. The first opportunity is industrial AI and autonomous operations. Predictive maintenance and quality inspection are already creating near-term value by improving uptime and production confidence. The longer-term opportunity is advancing toward autonomous operations, where agentic AI, foundation models, industrial data ops, and edge AI support faster decisions and more self-optimizing production environments. The second opportunity is convergence of disruptive technologies. Growth is strengthening where connected software environments bring control, connectivity, robotics, data architecture, and cybersecurity into one execution layer. This improves interoperability and gives manufacturers a stronger foundation for real-time coordination across machines, systems, workers, and enterprise workflows. The third opportunity is democratization of automation for small and mid-sized businesses. Lower-cost robots, robotics-as-a-service, no-code programming, plug-and-play systems, and managed industrial Internet of Things platforms are reducing adoption barriers. This expands automation beyond large enterprises and strengthens demand for simpler, scalable, and subscription-led deployment models. The bigger signal is that industrial automation software growth is concentrating where autonomous operations, converged systems, and accessible deployment models improve scalability, adoption confidence, and execution value. The next phase of manufacturing competitiveness will favor ecosystems that convert automation maturity into stronger uptime, faster production response, and measurable operating performance. Thanks for joining us on Frost & Sullivan's Growth Podcast. For access to our research, competitive benchmarking, and best practice frameworks, head over to frost.com or email hello@frost.com. We'll be back soon with more to help you stay clear-headed and growth ready.